Hi, you guys. So let's go over the agenda for this week. So this week, if it'll pop up, we have to do some Khan Academy mappers. I linked it in our folder. I'll show you where you're going to click. The username and password would be the username and password that I emailed you guys last Wednesday. So if you have not done that Khan Academy assignment from last week, then you need to check your email and you need to find your username and password. Do not log in with Google. Do not log in with Clever. Use the username and the password that I sent you. And you're going to do 20 minutes of that. And on my end, I can actually see what all you complete in 20 minutes. So that's how I'm going to grade you. So you do not have to submit anything. I can see it all. Then once you do 20 minutes of Khan Academy mappers, you are going to do your 3.2 video notes. This is in our folder as well. And once you are done with that, which by the way, a lot of you guys haven't been submitting, you haven't been filling out the questions on the slides. Make sure that you're filling out the questions on the slides. That's how you get a 3 out of 3 on your notes. So make sure that you check to make sure that there's not any slides that you haven't filled out those questions to. And then once you answer those questions on the slides, hit submit, and then I can grade those. And then once you do that, you're going to go to 3.2 homework. That's on Big Ideas. You're going to show your work and submit your showing work form to Schoology. So here we go. This is the link to the Khan Academy mappers. And when you click on that, you will also need to expand. So you're going to click this little button up here and it'll open it in a different tab. If you are not logged in, you need to log in. So you'll need to make sure that you go to Khan Academy. Sorry, should have had this all done. Okay, so you're going to click login. And here's where you're going to have your username and your password. If you did the assignment last week, then you're already logged in, so you should be fine. But if you did not, here's where you type in that username that was sent, and here's where you type in that password. And then you'll complete the Khan Academy stuff. So let me pull that up for you guys. It's loading. Once you log in, there will be numbers right here. Off to the side, it'll be in blue, and you'll click on your lowest band. So you're going to click on the one that has the lowest score next to it. And that will be already put in there for you. So once you log in, you'll look between your 4 categories and you'll click on the lowest band, and then you'll work through that for 20 minutes. Let's go back. Oh, wrong thing. Just really killing it today. Okay, so then once you do that, here's your notes. If you did not pick up your packet, then this is what you will fill out for your notes and follow along with my video. And then once you are done with the slides and you've answered those questions on the slides, then you will do your homework on Big Ideas. You will submit your showing work form here. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I can hop on a Zoom and show you where to go and help you be successful. If you've made it this far in the video, I want you to send me a school appropriate joke. I feel like I need a laugh this week, so send me a school appropriate joke and I'll send you some links bucks back. All right, get started on your stuff for this week and email me if you have any questions. Hop on Zoom today, Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday. All right, have a good week.